think commissioning itself is a very big. I mean, passing out parade is a big event, of
Yes,
course.
big
With the
gift.
parents and everyone in attendance, having passed out. The first unit
Yes,
is always very important unit, and I
very.
understand from your experience that you have been trained and maintained the Russian line of aircraft starting from MiG
True,
21 till I think Su-30
true.
and whatnot. So, if you
Yes.
could just throw some light on the opportunities and challenges that you have had as a in your tenures, different tenures.
Okay. So the first the posting is always a challenge. In fact, Rajesh, I will just go back for this for both. There is a two branches in engineering, AEM and AEL, mechanical and electronics. And होता क्या है कि there are various streams like we have got whatever you say ground system जिसमें radar है, missiles हैं, and then there is a communication also. Nowadays electronic warfare and IT is also new introduced, and these are on the ground based radar missiles here. And then there is a airborne system जिसमें you go on maintenance for the maintenance of the helicopter transport, then fighters, and then आजकल UAV also
AWACS
has been added.
and yes.
AWACS and UAV. Yes, you are right. So my first posting, and it's always कि कहाँ आता है, as luck would be, I was for the MiG-21 fighter class. उस समय it was Type 77, जिसको
Yes.
Indian name was Badal. Okay,
Yes.
बाद में Indian names were removed, but this was Badal, and this was typical
Yes.
Russian aircraft, and I was posted to Tezpur, now east.
So the
And
first
I remember
supersonic aircraft in
yes,
the Air
first
Force.
supersonic.
Yes.
True, first supersonic, and it's a really challenge. Okay, I will tell you how bada interesting, your viewers may like it. अच्छा, this was the first time Northeast you have to go, and Tezpur, and this is 83, 84, and 84 में Tezpur was burning, Ulfa and things were there. Now your parents, now everybody is worried कि यार क्या ये कहाँ जा रहा है? And we had to join on 16th August. That's what the Monday used to be in those 84 somewhere. The first posting was MiG-21, and thereafter I was posted to, again, lucky, I was posted to another good aircraft in those days, Swing Wing. That was MiG-23BN, bomber version tha.
Yes.
And the wing could be, so आगे पीछे हो सकता था, just to help in the takeoff and then cruise. So in different configuration, 3 configuration it used to be, and it was a technologically very high class of aircraft, and we were lucky. And this was in Jodhpur, so again the journey was very interesting. We went there, and in fact, what happened when as a young man you face a lot of challenges, and it's very interesting that one has to hear and listen to your people, your supervisor, your officers, your superiors, very, very obediently, and do it as they say. For example, I just remember, the we squadron we face DASI, Directorate of Air
Yes.
Safety
Yes.
Inspection, and this is a very, very high inspecting team comes, and it's something like you are undergoing war preparation, and everything is being checked. Now, as a youngsters, our squadron, our STO, Senior Technical Officer, he's advised कि यार देखो तुमको recall हो जाएगा and तुम तुरंत आ जाना, whatever within 10-15 minutes, and keep everything and keep your luggage also ready, because they can ask you to pack करके जल्दी भागो.
Yes.
And he said कि देखो don't take it lightly. अपना वो रखना, सब सेविंग किट वगैरह, अपना एक यूनिफॉर्म, नाइट सूट, सब चीज रखना. And as it happened, सुबह 4 o'clock in those days, Tezpur recall was there. We were called, exercise started, and then AN-32 came. AN-32, that time AN-32 was not there. I think I don't remember. One of the transport aircraft, probably Dakota was there. And we were asked to बैठो इसमें and जाओ सामान लेके आओ और अपने आदमियों को बोलो. बहुत से एयरमैन जो पुराने थे तो दे नेवर, मतलब दे थॉट कि नहीं ऐसे ही होगा, हमको टेस्टिंग करके छोड़ देंगे सामान के. कुछ नए थे वो भी नहीं माने, पर कुछ जो घुटे हुए थे दे वर वेरी रेडी. But of course, I went with my full the kit. The Air Force also gives you a lot of challenging and a lot of leadership qualities. It brings out from you how to. And we in the ground duty, you always start having air warrior with you, so you have to lead them, and then you have to tell them, you have to stand by them. So, जैसे रहते हैं. So every detachment used to be a challenge. Adventure by itself, going from Jodhpur to all the way to Uttarlai, and so it was a interesting period.